In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image with Microsoft Copilot. To get started, open your browser and go to Microsoft Copilot. This is Microsoft's AI companion, and it gives you a simple chat interface where you can type requests in plain language. Once the page loads, you'll be ready to create your image directly from the chat. Next, click into the chat box and type a prompt describing the image you want Microsoft Copilot to generate. Try to be clear and specific about what you want to see. For example, you can describe the subject, the setting, the style, the colors, or the mood. The more detail you include, the better Copilot can understand the kind of image you're looking for. When your prompt is ready, press Enter to submit it. After that, Copilot will begin generating your picture. At this point, all you need to do is wait a moment while it processes your request. Image generation can take a little time, depending on the prompt and the service response, so be patient while it works. You may see an indication that the image is being created, and that's completely normal. Once the generation finishes, your image will appear in the chat. That means your image is ready to view. From here, you can take a look at the result and decide if it matches what you had in mind. If you want better results in the future, a helpful tip is to make your prompts more descriptive and focused, since clear instructions usually lead to more accurate images. And that's all it takes to create an image with Microsoft Copilot. Go to the site, enter your prompt, wait for the image to generate, and then review the finished result. It's a quick and beginner-friendly way to turn an idea into an image using AI.